I want to show you. So guys, let's just have an unboxing today. All the way from Michigan! This is it. So now guys, unboxing tayo. Honey,
So guys, this time he
I have
doesn't know
something
that
to show you.
his parcel already arrived.
You do?
Yeah? Surprise!
Okay. Oh, it's there! Wow!
Yahoo!
It's finally there! Oh my god! It's finally there!
I was surprised.
Wow, it took exactly 1 month because today is the 16th, right?
Yeah.
And I sent it on the 16th. So it took exactly 1 month.
Okay. See?
I'm thinking if I'm gonna open this now or not.
Hey, you gotta open it. Please, 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 please. We waited so long. Please, honey.
Finally,
you gotta
after
open
1
it.
month. You eat first.
No. I'll eat that afterwards. I'm gonna watch. Honey, you gotta open it. Oh my lord, I can't believe it's finally there.
I know you'll be happy.
I was sitting here when I arrived from my off day, and then my boss knocked my door, and then
He said that, oh, you're here. I don't know that you're here already. You have a package here. Oh, okay, thank you, sir. I'll pay you. No problem. Tomorrow. Because of the charge, right? So, ta-da! I'm so happy.
Open it, honey.
So,
Are you gonna record it? Opening it?
yeah, I'm
You
already.
gotta record opening it, honey.
Okay.
so again guys, he doesn't know that I was already recorded during
Okay.
our conversation or during our call.
God, I was freaking out so bad, honey. I can't believe it's finally there.
So let's have an unboxing. Yahoo!
So, guy, all the way from Michigan. I keep on laughing here. Okay, so how this is it? Let's see. I hope my camera will gonna. Okay. Do I need to tear this or I need to have a scissor for this? I'm not ready.
No, you don't.
I'm not ready. Wait, my camera is not following me.
Oh my god, the video keeps freezing up. Stop freezing up, video.
Oh, not now. Not now, reception. Don't be bad there because I want to show you this.
Oh my god, we finally have it. Oh,
Okay.
open it, honey. Open
Look
it.
at your reaction.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
You cannot wait. I can see your face.
No, I'm excited, honey. I've been waiting for this.
So
for a
I'm
month.
not gonna open this. You eat first. I will wait.
What?
I will.
No. No, honey. I don't have any food. I can't eat. Out.
Your reaction. Your reaction, honey. What's that? Okay, unboxing tayo, guys. See? All the way from Michigan. Honey is so excited. Okay. Let's see.
I'm very excited.
Yeah. It takes 2 months. I mean 1 month before it
1
reached
month.
me.
Yep.
1 month, yeah. You sent this August. What is that date? 6, right?
16.
Yeah, so. Oh my lord. I haven't taken a photo yet. Can you screenshot of me with this?
Yep.
No, I should. Never mind.
There, I got it, honey.
Never mind.
I got
I'll just take a screenshot from my
I got
video.
it.
It's mine.
That's okay. honey. I got one with you.
Yeah? I think I need a scissor. This is very hard. Never mind. Yeah. I'm just lazy to go in the toilet and get the scissor. Ta-da! so, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Honey.
It froze up. Oh, there it is.
Wow. Blue team. Football blue team. I hope this will not, it will not, I mean, it fits me. I hope it fits me. Not so big.
I'm sure it will.
You, just good. Yeah, but quite long the sleeves. The sleeves.
Is it?
Yeah. But the body is just okay. Not so big. Blue team, Michigan.
Yeah.
Yahoo!
Good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yahoo! See that? Show this, guys. See, guys? Football team. Blue team. Are you excited?
Go blue. Yep.
Go blue. Yes, correct. You're right.
That's how we cheer our team.
And
Say go blue.
suddenly, you are wearing Michigan shirt also now.
Yep, I am. Yep. Today's a good day to wear it because
Yeah.
the team is playing today.
So I want to try it. You want to see?
Did you see the note?
Huh? What?
Did you see the note?
Where is the note? There's note? What?
There's a little note in there that should have been in the package.
There is? Yeah, I don't know. Honey. I love you. I love honey forever. Yay. So sweet. You see that? Wait a minute. I'm smiling too much.
Finally.
I'm gonna relax my cheeks first for a while.
Oh, my Lord.
My Lord. I love you. I love you too, honey. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, baby.
I like the color. You
welcome,
said it's not nice, but it's nice. It's just good. I like the design.
It's gonna look good. I want to see
Imagine,
that.
honey. We thought that it will
I want
not.
to see it on you, honey.
It will not come right. We thought that it would go back there because of the no mobile number. But yeah, I did it. At least. Okay, I'm gonna try. You wait.
Okay. I'm very excited. Yes. Oh my God, I can't believe it's finally there.
Hold on, honey. I want to see also.
Oh my, this is just good. It's just good, honey.
Is it?
Yeah. Honey, it's just very nice.
Oh yeah. It fits nice, honey. It's perfect.
Perfect. So, this is guys. Guys, you see that? Michigan. So, maybe I have to stand up and see how
Yes.
how
yes.
how
And
nice
we
it
can see
is. My camera is not following me. Okay, hold on. So this. See?
There
Is
we
it?
go.
It's
It
just
was
good,
nice,
right?
honey.
It's just good.
Look,
Ta-da!
it's perfect.
Yahoo!
It's perfect, honey. It is perfect.
Just perfect, right? I like it.
Yes.
Yeah, just good. Yeah.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's perfect, honey. Perfect.
Very
Wow.
nice.
You
I
look
like.
great in it.
Yeah, just good. Oh, you see, honey, very good.
looks so nice.
You have a good choice. I mean, you did a choice of Milo. This is good. Wow, go blue team. Blue team. Thank you, honey. I love you.
You're welcome, baby. You're very welcome.
Okay.
Looks great on you. I love seeing you in that.
Yeah, so guys, this is it. My honey sent me a Michigan t-shirt of his favorite football team, which is named Blue Team. Yes, yahoo! Blue Team. Thank you for watching. Bye. So guys, thank you everyone for watching. Dito na lang. Bye.
Thank you for watching.